First, click Add Floor on the right bar. And wait seconds. Then we are on the upper level. It is exactly the same as the first one. Then click the hole on the left and then draw for the place that you want to create double height. I'm tracing the line from the wall. Draw a closed rectangle. Then the double height is created successfully. Modify the walls on the upper floor. Go back to the ground floor and have a check by click Render. Okay, here in the render we can see that there is a hole upper on the ceiling, and we can click Preview to have a check. Wait seconds and then the preview for your rendering is created. As you can see here, it has a double height of the floor and with a nice sunlight. Of course, you can change the dimension of those windows to make the place nicer. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Looking forward to see you next time.